Hi everyone, this is Bruce Cohen. I'm a lawyer, board certified in immigration law, and today I'm talking about immigration law and what we can expect from the Biden administration. I can tell you for sure that a lot of our clients are very happy about the election, and they're looking forward to more favorable decisions from immigration. The Trump administration had changed over 400 different parts of immigration laws, mostly in a rather anti-immigrant sort of way. And I don't mean any political commentary here, I'm just stating the facts. And pretty much every decision that came out from the Board of Immigration Appeals during the past 4 years was against the immigrant. Whereas historically they might have been closer to 50-50, half for the government, half for the immigrant. But the Biden administration said that they're going to have some immediate executive orders. Presumably they're going to set aside the travel ban, which has prevented people from Iran and other countries from coming to the United States on visitor visas or after being fully vetted coming on their immigrant visas. Would also open the door, if he sets aside these travel bans, for Nigerians to be able to immigrate to the U.S. after being pre-approved for immigrant visas. We have lots of clients that work for giant multinational companies that have been approved for immigrant visas that are from Nigeria, but they're unable to come to the United States because of this travel ban on Nigerians for immigrant visas. Also, there was a new thing added by the Trump administration called the Affidavit of Self-Sufficiency, where they want credit reports for 2-year-old children and all sorts of other unusual and difficult things to get. And many people are anticipating that this is going to be set aside by the Biden administration as well. Many of these things have already been in litigation. There was one where the administration had set up a regulation to raise the fees on all sorts of different immigration applications. The courts put a stop to that, as they've put a stop to many other things, but they're still winding their ways through the courts. But just this past week, the Immigration Service dropped their appeal on the fee increase. So we're already starting to see where they are backing down and kind of like leaving office. As they all start to leave office in January, there should be major changes going on. We actually have a lot of cases that we have prepared, ready to file, and the clients have said just hold them until January 20th when the new president comes in, because they'd rather have a new administration look at their case to get a more favorable consideration, or as I like to call it, they would get management that follows the law rather than management at the Immigration Service that doesn't care what the law says and just makes decisions, oftentimes in an unfavorable way for our immigrant clients. So our goal is to see them just follow the law, do what the law says. There's regulations, and when we submit cases that fully comply with all aspects of the law, and then they send us requests for evidence, or they actually deny a case, which thankfully at this office doesn't happen very often, but still, we see so many different decisions and requests for evidence where they're ignoring the evidence, not following the law. And all of us in the field of immigration seek to see a return to the good old days under Reagan, Bush, Clinton, Obama, where the government agency was actually following the law and following the regulations. We have not seen that the last 4 years, unfortunately. But with new management, new people in the White House, our clients are very optimistic. They're saying, hold my case, don't send it in yet. Wait till January 20th when there's new management in the government over these agencies that will hopefully have a more favorable view to follow what the law and the regulations say. So everything is starting to look very bright for the immigration field, and especially for our immigration clients that will hopefully get a fair consideration of their case starting in 2021.